Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S98 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then switch to contacts if you are not in this panel, and click on the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select edit, tap on add photo, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. As you can see, you can customize it as only you wish. You can rotate the picture, zoom it in, out, and so on, and then tap on Save Copy. Click on Save then, and that's it. From now on, this picture will be assigned to your contact, and anytime he will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.